This is Sparta!
Hey guys, Crazy Owen here, and today we're going to make creme brulee. So it's that thing where you put the blowtorch all over the place and then you tap it with a spoon. Oh, so addicting. So here are the ingredients that you need. So you need heavy whipping cream, small bowl, some vanilla extract, some brown sugar, regular sugar, some of these types of cups, and 1 teaspoon. And remember that when I did the macaroons, you only need the egg whites. So now you can finally have your egg yolks. Basically, that's everything you need. Giant bowl, 4 of these ones if you want to make 4. We'll see you in the next step. So now you want to preheat the oven to, this is Sparta!
This is Sparta!
Well, 300, which means 300 as in the movie. So now you want to put the temperature to 300. So the next step you want to do is grab 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons, sorry, of sugar and put it into a bowl. Flatten that out. 1. Doing it pretty fast. 2. And then what you want to do is 1/2 vanilla extract. So here's the vanilla extract. And of course, I've already told you in the other macaroon video, it's not white. So what you want to do is pour a little bit and then dump it like that. And then what you want to do is now put in the egg yolks from last time. Like that. And then now, what you want to do is grab your whisker. You could use your machine if you want to. I'm just doing it by hand. And then just like mix it up. So now you want to whisk this for until this is nice and creamy. So what you want to do is have 1 cup and 1/4 cup into a sauce bowl, I think that's what it's called. So what you want to do is just pour it in. And next, grab your 1/4 cup, also dip it in there. Now what you want to do is grab your pot and put it on the stove and heat it up until it starts to boil. Now stir it until it looks like it's about to boil. So next what you want to do is when it's finished boiling, you want to put it inside the egg mixture. That's a nice looking yellow. Now what you want to do is put it inside the sauce bowl and mix it until it coats the spoon. Ooh, it's steaming up. Next you want to fill the ramekin with half with water. And then now when it's finished, you pour this mixture into the bowls. Now what you want to do is just leave them in the oven for 30 minutes. And let's close it up. I just love that. So now when you're finished having the 30 minutes, I want to open it up, see how it looks. Wow. Those look nice. Turn off the oven. open it up. So then just let it rest for about an hour and put it in the fridge until you're ready to eat. So now when we're finished putting it inside the fridge, we are going to be making the fun crust top where you grab that spoon and then you just crush it, that addicting sound. So we're gonna start making that. So what you wanna do is grab your biggest spoon, which is 1 tablespoon, and you wanna grab some brown sugar and some regular sugar. So you wanna grab some of this, that, and then put it in. And then some brown sugar, and then put it in. And just, oh man, this is sticky. That's enough. And then next you want to like mix it. Just like that. So now when you're finished mixing the sugar mixture, so now you want to grab your tablespoon and just grab like a giant scoop like this, like so, and dump it onto it. Spread it evenly like this. So when you're finished grabbing your mixture onto it, you want to grab your blowtorch. But if you want to do big guns right here, my little friend Big Guns, I'm going to use Mr. Smalls. So if you want Mr. Big Guns, you're going to actually have to ask your parents' permission. But if you're already a parent or a guardian, you can already use it and you don't really need anybody. So basically, grab your blowtorch and caramelize. So when you're finished blowtorching your creme brulee, it's supposed to look like this. We made a terrible one where it's just, it's hot. It's just white sugar. It's pretty hot, so I can't really move it. So, which one do you think looks better? I think this one looks better because it's like all like clean. This one's like burnt marks there. So basically, I think you should choose brown sugar and white sugar. This is the brown sugar and white sugar. This is just regular white sugar. I'm gonna try the brown sugar and the white sugar and just the white sugar. Now, for my favorite part of all your hard work, grab creme brulee and so good. Now let's try it. Looks like that. So good. Really like flavorful. The bubbles that you made have that nice crunch texture. Now, let's try just the white sugar one. Ooh, harder shell. It's a much harder shell. It's like that. Oh, there's like flakes. See it? That's the white sugar. It smells good. Well, like when you chew the crust, it like sticks to your teeth. and not really sure. I'm gonna try just a flake. It's just a flake. Yeah. Wow. That's very like sweet. This one's like on point. This one's not really that sweet, so I prefer you making brown sugar and white sugar. See you guys in the next video. Bye. So guys, thank you for watching my creme brulee video. I just want to say that please subscribe, support my channel. If you subscribe and comment down below, please subscribe and then comment down below. And then comment down below what I should review or make. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.